I think it's really important with all clients to learn, what is the culture they're trying to cultivate among their employees, and understanding that obviously tailors the advice. My practice is in the labor and employment group. I mainly focus on traditional labor. That's probably about 70% of my practice. So working with clients who have unions among their workforce, helping them with contract negotiations, labor arbitrations, and then the rest of my practice is focused on traditional employment law, so assisting employers with litigation in the employment space, with counseling in the employment space, and really sort of the life cycle of an employment relationship from the start until the end of it. Personally, I like to run, so I am a little down on miles right now, but in 2023, before my second son was born, I ran my first marathon, which was a huge accomplishment. It's super important, right? This job is very stressful, it's tough, and I think making sure that you have something like that outside of work is, one, it makes you a better lawyer. It just keeps you focused. It lets you kind of decompress. It also gives you time to think about things in a different way. Clients come to us with difficult situations. They don't come to us with run-of-the-mill things that they can figure out on their own. And so we have to be creative problem solvers for them. And any way that you can get to a good solution or a couple solutions that you can propose to them, I think is, what we have to be able to figure out. And sometimes that comes through running for me. I want my clients to feel like I have their back. Like I am there for them in moments of crisis, because normally in really high stakes employment situations, those are what they are at the moment. They are crises. I also want them to feel like I am their strategic partner, that I understand the pressures that they are facing internally, the folks they need to answer to, or what they need to do to hit their metrics, and how can I help them and their businesses get to the results that they want. And by being a strategic partner and not just someone who's trying to force them into litigation or to have them settle every case, that I understand their business and I help them achieve their goals. That's how I want them to walk away from every interaction and every matter that we close out.